are people from different religion also joins it in Durga Puja. It is not only for Bengalis or Hindus. There are the people from Christian community. There are people from Muslim community like Abbas. You want to talk about Abbas? Is takes care of our idol, main idol when it gets prepared. So the progress and how it will, when it will come, and all the coordination done by Abbas.
Actually, we had our Durga Puja. Durga Puja is once in a year and it's a 5 days festival, and today is the end of the festival. And today is Visarjan, where the goddess is immersed in the water body. So here we have Ulsoor Lake, we are immersing the idol here. And this is Bengali Durga Puja, which is evolved with a lot of emotion, because we believe that the goddess has come to her maternal place, and after 5 days of having love and affection of maternal place, now she is going back to her, her own house. So today Bengalis are as happy and as emotional as ever.
We've come to bid farewell to the beloved Mother Goddess Durga. This is the first time for Purva Rivera. We go by the name Trinayani Durga Puja. We are from Marathali, and this was our first year, our pilot edition, and we're excited to say that we've done phenomenally well.
Everyone who's come to our place has said this doesn't look like the inaugural version. We had the privilege of having Mr. P.C. Mohan grace our occasion, and it's completely supported by the full association. 802 plus families, not only Bengali but fully culturally integrated. Do please come to our place this year and for every year that it follows.
Thirteenth year. If you take away the 2 years of COVID, then it's the 11th year, and we have been celebrating it with a lot of pomp and gaiety. And this time it's a unique idol. Come on, and we celebrate it with everybody, as you can see over here.
We always do a theme puja. Yes. This time the theme was music. We had built the pandal with CDs and cassettes, which are old and not to be found. It's rare. I think this is something that we always cherish, and we would like to connect with the community with a lot of food and other cultural engagement. And yeah,
several hundred people participate in this event. A whole apartment. These are like 1,000 plus families who live there, and this is one of the biggest festivals we have in our community in Purva Fountain Square. And really fortunate to have the blessings of Ma Durga.
We are Bengali in Bangalore, aka BINB. We have started this puja. This is our 13th year of puja, and we celebrate this is in grand way. And this is not only this, we celebrate different pujas like Saraswati Puja, Kali Puja, and Karnataka Rajyotsava. All these things in Bangalore. So we are one of the big group in southern Bangalore. So where it is very reputed, and lot of people comes, and everyone is welcome. We do not discriminate based on any caste or any kind of creed or any religion, even or from any regional. So for us, the people from Karnataka also join our puja. There are Kannadigas who joins. There are Muslims who also participate in our puja. So that way, Bengali in Bangalore, we give a tagline. It's called Bangalir Ghorer Pujo. That means it is for puja for everyone where they feel home. There's a homely puja.
come from Purva Fountain Square, Durga Puja committee. So it's a great day for us. Durga Puja has been very, very special. And today is just, it's a very happy moment, but at the same time we are all very sad because this is the last day and Ma is going back home. So it's a happy day, but again we are sad from inside because the Durga Puja is over. We have to wait for another one more year to have Ma Durga back with us.
বলো দুর্গা মাই কি জয়। উড়িয়ে ধ্বজা দশভুজা আসছে তোমার রথে, উড়িয়ে ধ্বজা দশভুজা আসছে তোমার রথে, বিছিয়ে দেব শিউলি বকুল তোমার আসার পথে, বিছিয়ে দেব শিউলি বকুল তোমার আসার পথে। আদর করে বক্ষে ধরে রাখবো মা তোমায়, আদর করে বক্ষে ধরে রাখবো মা তোমায়। তোরা শেষে বান ভাসিসে জীবন আলোকময়, বলো বলো দুর্গা মায়ের জয়, বলো বলো দুর্গা মায়ের জয়। উমা জেলো রে ধরায়, বলো বলো দুর্গা মায়ের জয়, বলো বলো দুর্গা মায়ের জয়, বলো বলো দুর্গা মায়ের জয়। উমা জেলো রে ধরায়, বলো বলো দুর্গা মায়ের জয়, বলো দুর্গা মাই কি জয়।